Magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. Unfortunately, outdated yung introduction. Ano pa yun, mga 5 years ago, 3 years ago. But again, thank you to SNAP and also the Philippine Sports Commission for inviting me to be your first keynote speaker. So for this morning, around 30 to 45 minutes, I'll be discussing sports law and nutrition. So muli magandang umaga sa ating lahat, fellow athletes. Pakitaas ang kamay ng mga atleta sa kwartong ito. Konti lang. Coaches, sports leaders, students. We're all students here. Teachers. And any Olympians in the room? Wala pa, no? But I'd like to share that while we're talking about in the title of the theme of this forum, there's a mention of Olympic. I don't think everyone here will become Olympians, but I believe that everyone here should be what I call Olympists. I have my own definition of Olympism and Olympist, and let me share that by way of a hand signal. Okay? So I encourage everyone to do this as well. No? Okay? With a smile. Building better humans together. I think that's the reason, lakpak if you want to. I think that's the reason why we're here. We need to build and help build better humans. And that's the reason why law is important and nutrition is important. So, magandang umaga. Let's go to the next slide. This